morning, guys. Today is the big day, the tune day. We got everything in the back seat ready to go. I'm gonna make a quick stop at FedEx, literally the same day as the tune. All the rest of the parts that I need are showing up today. The car is also getting tuned down here where Wombo lives, so he's gonna be joining us today, so that should be exciting. Also, guys, I am absolutely loving how this lip came out on the car, and this is the first time I'm seeing it in daylight, so it came out really good. Say hello.
What's up, guys? Daniel.
Hello.
See you this morning.
So guys, we just made it to Ruben's house and I'm excited because we get to see the white STI swap GC8 today. So guys, this is the one, the STI swap GC8. This thing is so sweet.
We saw like each other on the thing.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I think I like the front end one.
Yeah, it looks nice. Damn. So the STI is getting pulled into the garage right now. We're gonna go ahead and throw the downpipe on here, and then from here head over to the tuner. Better be excited.
I'm excited.
Coil is big. Yeah, they don't talk anymore, huh?
No. I'm just unbolting the downpipe from the bottom. Javier and Ruben are getting the top side where the turbo is.
It's loose up here.
Somebody do that?
Huh?
Or we can just loosen the nut and use it. That's a better idea. Oh, this one? No, that's too fast. Why it's loose? Why? Trying to figure out why the turbo is moving. Look, it's missing this nut right, or bolt right here on the bracket that connects it to the block. Ah, shit. I wonder if that one will fit.
Sounds nice.
Dude, it sounds hella nice. Oh yeah.
Reaction to the new downpipe. Obviously, it's a lot louder. It idles super loud, and when you rev it, it's like more aggressive, huh?
Hell yeah, it is.
So downpipe's installed. Ruben's calling the tuner right now, see if he's ready. Everything's good to go. Javier's gonna start his car for us, see what it sounds like.
Yeah, we got it done. We're heading out right now, so I don't know how far out you think we are from there.
I can't boost right now. I can't boost to the tune, so they're gonna leave me.
winning.
Take out? Just that? Or
He's got
as far as it's just the AC's out.
That's a good AC shit out. No cruise control.
You see the wastegate from here? Yeah,
See the wastegate down.
How do you feel right now?
I'm nervous. I'm very nervous, but I'm excited.
Daddy can boost, so he's sad in the back, just watching the show.
Go behind the tree. There's like a lady in the office booth.
she's like, yeah, go.
Unheard of for a 205 to do that.
That's why you always granny shift.
You're not gonna spool as fast as that. That's 22.
But I'm not holding that much power though.
Your guy did that on his VR4.
Well, yeah.
They'll hold
Really?
that much power.
Yeah.
I almost did it right
He
now.
went from third to second, I think, actually, is what he did.
The engine's toast.
And it was boom.
I don't want to just retime it and then have it be running again.
Right.
What if you just retime? I was going to. That was like that meme that says to be a dick or not to be a dick, and I was like, be a dick, be a dick, and hopefully, and then I didn't eventually die, but I think it is. I think
What's up, man? What's up, Ruben?
How you been?
Good, how are you?
Good. How are you?
What's up, Javi?
What's up, man?
Nice meeting you,
Nice
dude.
to meet you, man.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Hey!
Yeah.
Austin.
What's up, man?
That's your,
How are you?
that's your book, right?
How are you?
Yeah.
What's up? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Austin and Ness are gonna race right now. 06 STI versus Bug-Eye Wagon.
Go with Austin, ask if you can go with them.
So you want me to do full throttle the first time, or?
Yeah, the first one, just kind of roll into it,
Okay.
and
then full throttle, or?
and then after that, as long as everything looks good, I'll tell you, and then you can go full
Okay.
throttle.
So-
Like second gear, you can like roll into it, and if everything looks good, I'll say go for it.
Okay.
And then you can do third, fourth.
guess cops are coming, guys. We're actually gonna head over to a different location. So as you guys can see, there's truck drivers that work on this road, and I guess one of them from the factory over here, they came out and told us that they called the cops, so.
Look at all these cars, dude. Got an RS, a Hawkeye, Bug Eyes, Hawkeye, Bug Eye.
Just one pull.
The 3-port especially, like it's consistent boost and it just holds so well. That's why this 3-ports are nice. Next thing I want to do is I want to contact like the people that make them. It's Mac Valves is the company. They make air valves.
Nice. Oh yeah.
So yeah, I'll set
Yeah, good
this.
then?
We're all set. Yeah, all set. Eventually I want to get hooked in with Cobb, but right now it's like they changed so much over the last couple of years. It used to be when you bought an access port, you got access to the software. Well, now you don't. Like, the cheapest way to do it is you pay $150 per car, and you have to do an online class. And once you do that online class, then they give you access to that one car.
Let's see, is it running good?
Dude, it runs good. It feels so much smoother, and like it almost feels like it's breathing better, I think. But yeah, the tune is done, guys. Everything's good. Everything turned out good. I'm stoked, man. The car sounds, it's loud, dude. It's like louder than Nestor's, they were saying.
And he tuned all these cars, right?
Yeah, so all these, so GC8, Hawkeye, Bug Eye, he all tuned those.
That is so loud. Dude, that is so loud, man.
So guys, make sure to check out Clinton, Geared Performance. The car is running 10 times better than it was before. So we'll go ahead and put his Instagram right here. If you guys hit him up, use code TROOPS.
That's right.
Send him a message. He'll give you guys 15% off every tune. So hit him up, guys. I'm stoked with how good the tune came out.
He did work on all these cars right here.
All these cars right here.
Amazing work.
So yeah, guys, hit him up.
Yeah, thank you guys.
For sure, man.
Holy shit! Holy shit! That was fucking crazy!
So the car's been tuned for about a day now, and I've had a headache since we put the downpipe on because of how loud it is, but it's fine because I love the way it sounds. Yesterday was just like such an awesome day to spend it with Ruben, Javier, meeting Austin, everyone. Just yesterday it was a sick day. Stuff like this always makes me just want to keep doing more power mods, which I will be doing in the future. I'm thinking the next thing I gotta do a Catless up pipe, so we'll probably do that next. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think. If you guys really enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I put a lot of work into this video when editing wise. Thank you to Ruben, Javier for helping me install the downpipe. Thank you to Geared Performance for the awesome tune. Make sure to hit them up, guys. And thank you to everyone that came out and supported me. Also, I would launch the car, but my axles are already making noise before the tune, so I don't want to risk breaking something. I can't afford that right now. So maybe in the future I'll launch it for you guys. But until next time, guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.
That's it, Brian? Yes.